No, 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 no. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh my god. How is that so painful? You just shot me in the chest with your Nerf gun. Ouch.
Well, that's what you get for trying to destroy my console, Barney.
Okay. Fine. You win. I will let you go back to play Super Mario 9 on your console again. But this time, when I get another Barney error, I'll have my revenge.
Finally! I've got the Wii back after shooting Barney with the Nerf gun. Now we can finally play Super Mario 9. I hope there's no more Barney error to come back, and then he doesn't ruin my day today.